Most people, when they think about downsizing from a financial perspective, they're thinking about selling their house, buying a cheaper home, having money left over to invest or spend. And with that new home, they're thinking about a much more low maintenance home. So they're trying to free up equity and they're trying to spend less ongoing towards their housing expenses. A big part of it's lifestyle. They want a home that they can lock and leave and travel, and they want it to be energy efficient, all of those sorts of things. But from a financial point of view, they tend to be the two big goals: free up equity and have less ongoing costs towards the home.
And so what are the traps here if they are the financial goals?
Well, a lot of people do a very simple mathematical equation that is, if I sell my house, and I'll just use round numbers for argument's sake. So if I sell my house for $1 million and I buy my new house for $500,000, I'll have $500,000 in my back pocket that I can invest or spend. It doesn't work like that. There can be transaction costs like stamp duty, but it's really helpful to look at what you are actually going to get in your hot little hand by working out what is it actually going to cost you to sell your home. So there'll be agents' commissions and things like that, which are not normally huge, but they exist. You might have to renovate the home. You might have to do some repairs. All of those things add up. Then there's the cost of actually moving. Now, that might just be hiring a van and getting some friends, but it might be that you want removals people to do that for you. Those two things can vary a lot in price. And then there's the price of your new home, which is more than just the purchase price. It can be stamp duty, there's legal fees, you might need to buy new furniture, all of those sorts of things. So it's just important to understand. People use that kind of very simple equation of two components, i.e. what am I selling my house for, what am I buying my new one for? But there's normally about at least 5 components and often 10 components that you need to factor in. There's a calculator on our website, on the book website, that people can use to work out how much will they actually have to invest or spend.